Alright guys, we get a ton of questions on the blow-off valve, if it can be exposed to water and sand, dirt, mud, whatever it is. Mostly it's what happens if water gets on it, is what it is. So in this video, we're going to kind of go over what happens if you were to take a hose and just shove water up in your blow-off valve, or if you wanted to submerge it in a bucket for a day or something and then start it up. We're going to kind of cover that, and I think that what we're going to find out is that nothing affects it. We've tested these things over and over. We've been running these for over a year now. Our Polaris and sandy water, we don't run a filter. The filter helps stop the debris, and then the air just blows it off the filter. But you can literally, as you see, we'll put a hose right up in this thing, and we're gonna let it rip. It only blows air. Never does a blow-off valve, ever intake. If you have mud, a little different story, or you can get like debris, or it can't blow that debris out. Mud, dirt, sand, dust is gonna blow it out. Mud, I don't know. I would run a filter because it's going to blow it off the filter. It's never going to go past the filter. So in this video, you can kind of see us, again, torture test a blow-off valve. All right, guys, test number one. Whoa, I'm getting wet. Give her some beans, Chris. She ain't taking no water. Let's do some more testing though, just in case. We've got a 3-foot long, is this a 4-foot? We got a big old extension hose on our blow-off valve port. We've got a couple of these tied into each other, some couplers, and we're gonna shove some water down this thing's throat because everyone's asking, do I need a filter? Do I need this if I run in the water? What if I run in the sand? Well, we're gonna debunk it all right now. Fire it up, Chris. With the filter. Blowing it away. Give her some meat, Chris. So wet. Alright, hold on, Chris. My hose holder going here. Woohoo! Woohoo! She wet. Give her some beans, Chris. Oh, she's going wild. Let her rip. Oh, yeah. Down. You're gonna get some debris when you keep your blow valve pointed down. It's only ever gonna blow it out. Give her some beans, Chris. Get all the heat down there. All right. So it's obviously not taking any water at idle. It doesn't matter what we do. I got an idea. A submerger. Go for it, Chris. Run the thing. You don't need to. Just run it. No need to do any goofy stuff, man. Just run this stupid thing. If you want to see us test it any other way, let us know. The only thing I will say is mud ain't water. Don't pack it full of mud. It's going to jam up the piston. If you're running in mud, I'd say run the front mounted or the driver's side mounted blow-off valve, or maybe snorkel in those cases. But if you're worried about going through water or creeks or sand or anything, right there, we stand behind what we sell.